Because my skin is very sensitive. It is enriched with niacinamide and glutathione. Tingnan nyo sila, wait lang. Wow. Behind the scenes. Hindi kami natuloy sa casa for some reason. Lesson learned, pag magde-debut photoshoot kayo, kumuha na kayo ng package. Oh. Please lang. Pumatak! Ay! Yung yari ako kay Mami May. Sige lang. I forgot the payong. This is the payong, the beloved payong. Pagod na ako mag-vlog, hindi ko na to kayang i-career. Guys, look how dirty! It's so dirty! We're gonna tawid one of the longest bridge in the Philippines. Let's go. This is the bridge. So long, right? We have the soccer field owned by the Amoyes.
Kelsey and with her payong.
The soccer field. It is used as field to soccer. This is parang plastic grass. Same as the one in the outlets. No! Ano na? No, it's red. No! It's just like bato-bato like the
It's beautiful.
Sige, bawal tabawa.
1, 2, 3, go. Uy!
I'm flexible.
Where are they? Where are they?
Pakita kayo sa vlog ko. Baligtad.
Hi, vlog! There they. Eh, kinuha. This is the Statue of Liberty. Ganun ka, ganun. Yeah. This is the Statue of Liberty here in, you can only see that here in Compartment Pub, Philippines. Huwag ka na gumalaw.
Wait
Statue
lang.
nga
Kasi
na.
yung buko kasi. Dapat maayos.
Okay, this is the Statue of Liberty.
Puberty!
Sabi ko
Statue yan. Ganito yung mga nagdidibo. Jem, ako yung choreographer. Ganun.
Very confidence. Ay, dito. Unahan pa ako ni Kel.
The great pose of the debutantes.
Oo nga.
Tapos biglang, ganun sa kanila. Yung bag ko!
May bayabas ba dyan? kumain. Ice lang yun.
Oh, kilala niyo.
Sana nito.
Dumihan.
Dito mo.
Pero dapat may aura pa din.
Ay! Piko! Rare bottle of a Filipina plain Piko.
Ah, ganun no?
Ano mo dito?
Ito.
Saan? Patrick, picture mo siya ng pagalan yung view. Paano upo?
Upo.
Upo ka muna. Oh, ayan. What the hell?
Ako!
Paano daw?
Ano ba to? Reflector.
Dito nga! Nakita ba dito? Ayun, lumilipad-lipad po, Paris ni JM.
Oh, yan sa'yo din. Kahit sa'yo.
Hindi naman maaraw, pero ba't ganun? Hinahanap na po ng may-ari.
Nakatingin para konti dito.
Kasi may libro ka na lang eh.
Ano, libro hindi naman ako bookworm.
Parang.
Ito oh. Ah, ito pala.
If ever Fit check! Yung ano, sasabihin mo kung saan galing. This is from I don't know. I don't know.
Ganito mag-fit check 360.
Fit check 360.
Hindi ako
Picture na tayo apat. Punas na kayo eh. Bakit? Ha? Ano?
Diyan yan, magaling si Dorinel. Paglalagay ng kolorete sa kanya.
Pero pagkugasin mo yun siya.
Ang kampo ni Dorinel. Tuloy pa din ang picture. Hulas na yan sila. May electric fan kami nahanap. Fan lang, fan.
Ay, ang init.
Dorinel and friends.
She's been living in a love tower.
I rate this. Uy, baka ma-cancel.
Uy, huwag pakita yung brand.
Alam mo, may pamilya siyang, pero pinipili niya pa din magtrabaho kasi para may masustento.
Okay lang tayo, guys. Itsura natin, no? Sabi naman sila yung mga kagalan. Pero okay yung hapon. Pag ganyan, let's spend all the time. Di ba ito kayo?
Ano? Tara? Tara?
Pag kayo sinugod. Bawal na din. Dito na nga, dito na nga. Dito na nga.
Let's see. 30, 60, 90, 90, 120, 150. You're correct.
Yeah.
Somebody knows how to correct me. COVID-19. And what did there
Repeat, please. Take two. Okay, again.
who created the COVID-19?
We
Who?
don't know.
Let's count alphabetically.
Babeting.
A, 1, B, 2, C, 3, D, 4, E, 5, F, 6, 7, G,
Eight.
8, H.
Ah.
And now it is A.
Ay.
The number is 9.
Mm.
COVID-19 say I.
Rare or birthday?
Great.
Great!
Search Google. And it says the COVID-19 was being sent by an bat. And batos na ganun there. Now, the virus get over and over. The blood or the poison of the snake were mixed or unmixed different COVID vaccine. I don't know where it is the final and the not final.
I-mix and unmix. Final and unfinal.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Elbow exercise.
11, 12,
Elbow exercise.
13, 14, 15, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yo, pare! Hello!
Bulong? Ito si Kelsey. Tara!
Wow! Look at this.
Ano? Eh, maganda yung ano. Nakita namin. Malayo yun eh. Eh, ito, ayan na oh. Ganda, tingnan nyo.
May talunan, nasan?
Ayun, may talunan din siya. Picture mo, picture ako. 25 mo pa. Ayun, ayun naman. Pakulay din niya. Ayun, ang ganda din dito ng mga bato.
Kayo dyan. Kami magkasama kami Iwala kayo.
Lang.
sabihin ko na wala.
My biggest enemy.
Sure kayo kung maghahawak niyan? Sige.
Tiwala.
Let's go. Jump in. Vamonos. You can lead the way.
Let's dance!
Ano? Go, go, go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Ay, mali matono natin.
Hindi na ako nga sa video.
Crab ba? May crab.
Ang dulas, promise.
Natapakan niya malalang yun.
Diba? Ang ilog. Is it there or there?
Which way? Oh no. Isama mo kami dito, Kelsa.
Ako, be.
Ever moves is gay. Ganito po
How to
gumawa.
make quintas.
Nature gamit. O, diba? Ayan.
So, babali-baliin lang.
Yes.
Wow. Very
I-fast
innovative.
forward mo na lang, Kels. You need to, get a sticker. No, it's not itchy. Ayan.
Parang ano, mariwan.
Oh!
Pati na ganyan. Hey, boss.
Kels!
Ayan, upo ka nga din. Upo ka din, dali. Upo ka. Yan, yan. Ito mariwan.
Ganyan. Edit mo.
Okay, we're gonna walk.
Wait lang, my hair. Di ka kita.
Hindi naman ako yun.
Kapit ah.
Both one. Kapa. Kapa. Wow. Ah. May bloopers na tayo. Ayan, bukas. climbers. Hindi ko nakita. Wala, hindi ko nakapit. Let's go here. Hi! Hey guys, hi Kelsey's vlog. I am holding the camera now kasi I can climb and they cannot. It's not really amazing pag andito, pero kapag nasa may baba, maganda siya tignan. May mga nagbabalance ng rock. May spot dito. Paano kung yan? Sa cave. Amazing. Okay. Hello. Look at that. Paano lang may aso? And dito ka. Hi Kelsey.
This is me before jumping. Take the risk.
Mini jump. Level 1 completed. Nauna yung sigaw eh, no?